Go from this to this in 30 seconds. Watch. With the BXL Format add-in loaded, we select our corporate brand theme. We then import BXL's Format skin table with our custom styles. Merge our skin table's custom styles with our corporate palette and apply all styles to our entire workbook. All titles, all tables, all pivot tables, slicers, and charts. All at once. This is what we started with. Excel's default colors that don't match our corporate branding, ugly grid lines, heavily banded tables, dull slicers and timelines, lifeless charts. And in 30 seconds we have a clean display with all Excel objects matching our corporate branding.